Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis of USA, Canada and UK. And I also share my market analysis on 10 currency pairs, Forex pairs. Okay, and please do not mind because of my not so professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Probably you're hearing kids are playing outside on the street, a woman is shouting, scolding her children. Okay, so let's get started. So today I have got around five stocks, okay, for you. So the first stock is Coca Cola. Okay, let me mark the important levels of Coca Cola. So right now trading at 50.12 and resistance at 50.8. So Coca Cola is almost trading at a resistance. Okay, so if it opens to if it opens above 49 level or say 50 level, hmm, if it opens above this level and if it comes down to this level, okay, you just need to observe how it reacts after hitting the support level. If it bounces from this particular level, you can surely go for a long position, and if it fails to give support to Coca-Cola and Coca-Cola crosses this particular level, then you can short the market. Your target will be 49.6 if you short the market, and if you buy, then this will be your ideal position to go for a buy position. Okay, but you must get the confirmation of volume, your favorite indicator, or candlestick pattern like this. It should have a price rejection like this. Okay, and in case it moves upward and reaches the 50.80 level, then you need to be get cautious and just observe how it is reacting. If the volume is high, if the bulls are in charge, if they cross the level, then it's good, it's a breakout. And if the the steam is missing, if the power is missing, then there will be a reversal from this particular level, and at that point of time you can also short the market. So these two levels are very important. Okay, and in case Coca-Cola gives a breakout, okay, then just wait for 15-20 minutes, let the market sustain above the level. Okay, you should have your confirmation. Okay, let the market stay comfortable above the level, let the resistance become the support, then only you can buy, or it will be best position to buy. So these two levels are very important for today. So the next stock is Microsoft. There is no trend here, very dirty. Looks very confusing. Okay, but you can also make money from the sideways market. Okay, this 240 level is kind of acting as support for Microsoft. If Microsoft opens at 241 or above 240.7 240.7 level and bounces from this level, okay, almost at the support level, so if it bounces from here, then you can go for a buy trade. Your target will be 0.5%, say $2 or $3 max. Don't expect much, okay, because there is a resistance available at 244 level, but there are small resistances available also at 242 and 242.2. Okay, the road is not that clear. Still, if you are a risk taker, then you can go for a buy position. If it bounces from here, shows some price rejection from below. Otherwise, no trade. And after see, from here, market came down in the previous trading session. So if market goes up and reaches 243.80 level, just watch how it is reacting. If you see that there is not much pressure on the market, the bulls are losing their grip, then there is a possibility of reversal, then you can short the market. And if bulls take the charge and breaches the level, breaches the resistance at 243.8, then you can go long. Otherwise, you can also short the market. Okay, the next stock is UNH, United Health. Right now trading at, or the LTP was 324.65. Okay, very simple. If it comes, if you get uh, United Health at 323 level and shows some reversal sign, buy. Buy. Your target, first target will be, your small target will be 329 and your ultimate target will be 335. And if it goes up and if it shows some reversal from 335 level, get your confirmation with the help of candlestick pattern, your favorite indicator, whatever, you can short it at 335 level. These two are the important levels for the day. Then we have Axon Mobile. The only thing about Axon Mobile I would like to mention is that it's in a consolidation. The volatility is very less. Okay, and we all also know it very well that market always moves from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Whenever market is in consolidation, or market is consolidating, or market or volatility is very low, that means there is something about to happen. Okay, so keep ExxonMobil on your radar because a big move may come today or tomorrow. So the next stock is Walt Disney. Hmm. Again, the same thing. Walt Disney is also kind of in a rest mode. Okay, you can see that there is not much volatility available here. Walt Disney is also resting. Okay, almost trading at this support level. Okay, so if the price stays above the support level and keeps on resting, then there will be a big move. Okay, big move either upward or downward. Just keep Walt Disney on your radar. Okay, because market moves from lower volatility to higher volatility. So today or tomorrow you may get some big moves. So that's it for the Monday. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, then you can check out my website. The link is in the description. And nothing else. Good luck. Thank you so much. Bye bye.